It's going to take a new 21st century conservation ethic and laws to support it to move forward with species recovery and a robust, diverse population of wildlife and plants in this country. We have learned so much as Americans in how to manage species. We have better science, we have better habitat management, and we have better state and national wildlife agencies who have so much knowledge about how to recover species. And as average Americans, we have a better ethic and more responsible behavior with regard to how we move forward to conserve plants and animals. That's why it's time to reform our statutes so they can catch up with the American people. Endless litigation and spending all of the money that we want to use to recover species and better understand how to have robust populations is being spent in the courtroom. We don't need to do that anymore. We know how to manage these species. It's time to reform the Endangered Species Act in ways that will ensure that its principles are intact, the goals of the act are kept, but that we update the act to recognize that money spent in the courtroom is not money spent on the ground for species recovery. With this week's Cattle Call, I'm Cynthia Lummis.